Hello students, today we will continue our chapter 2. Chapter 2 is adding graphics in a document. This is our third part of chapter 2 video. Firstly, we will discuss recap. Our topics were modifying images. In this topic, we discuss how we can modify our image by resizing, by cropping, by deleting, etc. Next topic was drawing objects in a document. How we can draw a rectangle, a smiley shape, a star in our document. And last topic was changing the properties of drawing object. How we can change properties of drawing objects. In our last video, we discussed how we can change size of object, how we can change width, color, etc. of objects. Now, index is first topic, positioning images in the text. How we will manage position of image in our document with text. Next is text wrapping. How we adjust our text with image. Next, arranging images. When we have two or more images, then how we arrange them. And next topic, anchoring images. How we set our image with page, paragraph. Next is aligning images. In this topic, we will understand how we will set alignment of images. Left, right, center, top, bottom, etc. Now, we will discuss all these topics one by one in our OpenOffice. Today, our topic is positioning images in the text. In this topic, we will learn how we can set position of our image with our text. First way is by text wrapping. Now, what is text wrapping? It means how we manage our text with picture. There are various ways. Now, we will see one by one. Firstly, select your image. You can see there a toolbar appear. This is our frame toolbar. In it, you will learn how to manage your text. First is wrap off. It is by default. When you click on it, no work will be performed. Now click on next option, page wrap. Now you can see your text are appear both sides of picture, in left side or in right side, both. Now I am adjusting my picture. See, text appear both side. Now I will choose first option, wrap off. Now you can see there is no text, not in left side or not in right side. Thus, we can wrap our text with our picture. If we need to write some text left or in right side, then we will choose page wrap option. And if we don't need, then we will choose wrap off option. Next option is wrap through. When you click on this option, you will see picture appear at the top of the text. Text is behind. See, now wherever I move my picture, text is always bottom side and picture is at top. Now if I want my text appears in left or in right side, then I will click again on page wrap option. You can see our text adjust according to these options. Now, next way of setting position is anchoring image. We can set a fixed position for our picture by setting anchoring. Now see how we can set. Firstly, click on your picture. You will see here change anchor appears. Now click on this. There are 4 ways to change setting of anchoring. Firstly, by default is to page. Now, if you apply any changes on your page, you can see your picture is at same position, no changes made because our image position is fixed. Now, next option of anchoring. I am selecting to paragraph option. You can see this picture is now connected with this paragraph. If I am making any change with this paragraph, see picture also moving because I am set this picture with this paragraph. And when this picture is with page, then picture is not moving. Next anchoring is by to character. When I click on this option, my picture set with character. Now, whenever I will delete all these characters, see my picture also deleted because it is set with characters. And whenever I will press any key, see text and picture both are moving. Thus, now my picture binded with characters. Next way is aligning images. In this way, we will adjust our image by setting alignment like left, right, top, bottom, etc. For it, firstly select your image. You can see again dialog box appear. There are 6 ways to align your image. First, left, horizontally center, right, top, center, bottom. All these are alignment for images. Now I am selecting left. You can see left alignment apply according to paragraph. See, because here paragraph is selected. If I select here to page, you can see now my picture set according to page. When I will select top option, see picture appears at top of page. You can see. Now when I select paragraph option, my picture is at paragraph alignment. It is at paragraph top. Now when I click here to page, you can see it is an top of page. Thus, we can set all these 6 alignments on our photo. Now, next is arranging images. When we are working with 2 or more images, then we need to set our images. For it, we will set our image by some steps. Again, for arranging these 2 pictures, I will select firstly a picture. You can see there are 2 options, bring to front and send to back. When I will click on send to back option, my picture goes back. And when I want to take it in front of this picture, then I will click here. You can see picture appear in front. You can apply it with these 3 pictures also. For example, I want to take this picture in front of these 2 pictures. Then I will select my picture and I will click on bring to front option. See picture appear in front of both picture. Thus I can send back also by clicking on send to back option. Picture goes back. Thus, we can arrange our images with 2 or more images by these options. Thank you students for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.